Hello children, welcome to our class 6th Science, Chapter 11, Water in our life. Where do we get water from? We get water from many sources. We get water from wells, rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. Do you know that about 2/3 of the earth is covered with water? Most of this water is in seas and oceans. Water in oceans has many salts in it. The water is saline. So, it is not fit for drinking, agricultural and industrial needs. Where can we find natural sources of water? We get water from different water sources in our surroundings. In most villages, wells, canals, tanks, ponds, rivers, oceans, streams, lakes, etc. Children, do you know where else do we get water from? We get water from streams, rivers, lakes, seas and oceans, etc. These are the natural sources of water. For example, oceans, lakes, ponds, rivers, streams, etc. Children, do you know water is not only available from sources such as the rivers, lakes, ponds, but also present in certain fruits and vegetables. Fruits like watermelon and vegetables like cucumber contain a lot of water. Can you suggest some other examples? Our body also contains 70% of water by weight. Water on the earth. There are different sources of water on the earth. We know that nearly 3/4 of the earth's surface is water and 1/4 is land. Earth's surface is approximately 1/4 land and 3/4 of water. Water on the earth. Water covers 75% of Earth's surface, though 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. Less than 1% is accessible as fresh water. All the water in the world, 3/4 of the earth is covered with water. 97% of this water is salt water. 3% is fresh water. 2/3 of the fresh water is trapped in the polar ice caps. Only 1% of the water is usable. Seawater is salty, but water used by us in our daily purposes is not salty. It is known as fresh water. Water in ponds, puddles, river, from tube wells and our taps at home is usually fresh water. Thank you, my dear children.